Good evening, Professor. For the assignment speech analysis I wrote last week, after reading your suggestions carefully, I made the following changes and improvements. First of all, in terms of format, I removed the written blank between paragraphs and added indenting in reference to make it properly formatted. Secondly, as for the content of the article, the analysis of each key point was not very detailed due to the combination of the context analysis and delivery method analysis of the speech. Therefore, I added the analysis of the content and the theme of the article at the end of this part to make it easier to understand. Finally, in terms of grammar and language use, I made the following changes. First, I avoid using contraction in APA format. For example, in my article, I wrote that a perfect speech should be considered from blah 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 and other aspects. After carefully reading the professor's advice to me, I removed and other aspects. Secondly, I modified the expression that was not clear in the text. For example, I changed the speaker can read the speech slowly to the speaker can slow down, so that the reader will not misunderstanding the meaning of this passage. Third, I removed repetitive language and phrases. For example, I changed the group of audience into them, which could help the thought flow and enable readers to understand my point of view more quickly. After summarizing and knowing where I need to improve, I proposed 3 goals for my next article. First, avoid APA format errors. Secondly, the writing should be more concise. Secondly, different viewpoints should be analyzed independently. To help me achieve these 3 goals, I have a basic plan for improvement. Firstly, before I start writing, I should make a list of ideas I want to write, with a framework to avoid confusion. Secondly, when I am writing, I should write in APA format carefully, avoid reading blank between paragraphs, and set the indent foremost in advance during reference. Secondly, after finishing my writing, in order to avoid grammar mistake and unclear expression, I will ask my roommate to help me proofread this paper and read it carefully, sentences by sentences, and read it loud, and check wherever there are expression mistake. I believe that through this summarized, I will do better in the next writing article. And thank you so much. Thank you so much.